Do you know how to make a peanut butter cookie? Of course you don't. You just eat whatever's handed to you. But I'm a squirrel, and squirrels know. Peanuts, sugar, heat, that's the recipe. Simple, sweet, harmless, wrong. Because every cookie is a story, and every story is a trick. The question is, are you eating the cookie, or is the cookie eating you? Step 1. Peanuts. Raw, bitter, messy. Nobody likes them raw. So you grind them down, pulverize, process, polish, turn rough truth into smooth butter. That's what humans do with everything. Your thoughts, your jokes, your memories, grind them till they're spreadable, snackable, forgettable. And now it's not a peanut. It's peanut butter. And peanut butter is just truth that got processed. Step 2, sugar, because bitter doesn't sell. Reality is bland, honesty is rough. So you coat it, like thumbnails, screaming in neon, captions in all caps. A soundtrack that slaps harder than honesty itself, sweet enough to rot your teeth, sweet enough to rot your brain. Sugar isn't flavor, it's dopamine dust. And dopamine doesn't feed you, it feeds on you. Step 3. Heat. Bake it low, bake it slow. But the oven isn't in your kitchen. It's in your head. Every ding, every ping, that's preheating your dopamine. Every scroll, every loop, that's the timer ticking down. You're not baking cookies. You're being baked into one. Crunchy on the outside, hollow on the inside. A snack, not a soul. You laugh at me hoarding nuts. Silly squirrel. Addicted squirrel. But look at your jar. Saturday morning cartoons, cookie. Vine loops that you replayed 50 times, cookie. TikToks you don't even laugh at, just exhale through your nose and scroll, cookie. You're not eating culture, you're raiding the jar. And the scam, the jar never empties. Not because it's full, but because they keep refilling it. It's an infinite cookie jar for an infinite hunger. And sometimes they get clever. They call it a high-protein cookie. Fitness snacks, hustle grind reels, self-help shorts. Still cookies, still empty calories, just wrapped in shinier packaging. You binge them, and it feels healthy. But binging is binging, and stuffing your brain with productivity cookies is still starving for meaning. But cookies don't nourish, they condition. It's okay to enjoy one. It's okay to laugh at brain rot. It's okay to snack on self-help. But don't mistake crumbs for meals. Don't trade sugar for substance. Don't stay stuck in the jar. I'm just a squirrel. I know junk food when I see it. Or do you?